Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Paul Sherry in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2019 Ram 1500. It is a Bighorn, stock number 28500T. This one is granite in color. These things just look amazing in my opinion. The new style, all new 2019. New headlights, got the fog lights down here in the front bumper. Sporty looking hood. Got the 20-inch chrome wheels. I like how they got the white letters out on that. Turn signals here in the mirror. Take a look on the inside. Got power folding mirrors, windows and locks. We also have power premium cloth seats with lumbar control. This kind of looks like a denim material. It's got some nice designs here in the seats. Cup holders here in the back of the armrest. Nice little USB port here in the center. Lift this up again. Plenty of storage space in here. Sliding. Got a spot to put your phone. I'll put mine in there to show you. We got 4 USB options, 2 USB-C, 2 USB, 2 USB-C options. CD player. We got traction control and tow haul. 8.4-inch Uconnect radio. It allows you to control anything from a backup camera to your climate controls, which you can also see there's hard buttons for here. This is a 4-wheel drive vehicle with the turn dial style shifter. We do have hands-free options for your phone. Also things to control your gauge cluster with, a lot of different options up there. Cruise control, gear control, tilt wheel. We also have buttons on the back of the steering wheel on both sides. One controls this presets, the other is volume. Adjustable pedals. They're real nice. These are really sought after slush mats here. Take a look in the back. Got the nice floor mat all the way across in the back as well. Get down closer so you can see that. And that thing looks really heavy duty actually. Very, very, very spacious back seat. I'm about 5'9". Power rear window. So those rear windows power. Look how much room you got in there. Underneath here of your slush mat, you got the oh so famous cooler option. So if you want to drive around with pops in here, you got that luxury. They are removable, so if you want to put ice in there, it's good to go. Taking a look at the back here. Does have the chrome muffler tips. It is set up to tow already. It's got the hitch, the adapters for the hitch, rear backup camera, it's a good looking truck. Again, this is a 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn. stock number 28500T. I'm Nathan Kopic. Stop in and see me today or give me a call, 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit the website, sherrychrysler.com.